How to schedule Google Ads. Hey, my name is YAUHENI and I'm CEO and founder of Discover My Business. In today's video, I will answer one of the questions I get asked from one of our clients. He asked if that's possible to schedule time spots for his ads. And my answer to that is yes. And in this video, I will show you how to do this. So log into your Google Ads account, go to the campaigns, pick one of the campaigns which you want to pick a schedule for. Let's see, we will use a search campaign, then go to ads, add schedule, and you will see the schedule. Since we're running for our clients 24/7 ads, he's a little bit concerned that he's getting a lot of calls at nighttime. What we will do is we will pick a schedule. So we will include Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. till 8 p.m. So this is the schedule. When we click save, it will show us, hey, Google, run our campaign from 8 a.m. till 8 p.m. Monday through Friday. A lot of people asking also, how can we not lose the quality score? And for my best practice is never pick just a specific time spot. Rather than that, but because of client request, we kind of do this. But instead of doing that strategy, what we recommend is create a few different spots. Let's say we will pick all days, Monday through Friday. So not all days, let's do Monday through Friday from midnight till 6 a.m. Then another one, Monday through Friday from 6 a.m. till 11 a.m. From 11 a.m. Monday through Friday, 11 till 20, and from 20 till 23:45. Sometimes it's not available pull up 00 because it's time spot already taken. Oh, we can. So what's happening right now, we have a specific time spots. What it means is, okay, we know that the client want to use our ads from 8 a.m. or 6 a.m. till 11. So we will put increased budget by 5%, let's say. So 6 a.m., 11 a.m. In total, it will be 14 hours. And we will increase on that one, increase the budget by 5%. In just example, I don't want to go through all of them, but let's say 5%. We will see that since we increased the budget, so the regular CPC is $10 per click, right now it's $10.50, and the color is orange, bit adjustment +5. And from all other times, let's say from 8 p.m. till midnight, and from midnight, where's this time spot? Oh, okay, it's not here. So let's see, 8 p.m. and 12 a.m. till 6 a.m. because he told us that it's really getting calls, they're not even relevant to business. We change bit adjustments and decrease our CPC price by 90%. So if our regular price is $10, right now it will be just $1. In this particular case, we're not losing any quality score of the ad, and we're not losing positions. So in this, and also the ads are running 24/7. It's the best case scenario. I highly recommend to everyone use this strategy. I just set up for the few days, but we can set up also for Saturday and Sunday. In this case, you will never, as I repeat myself, lose any score. So make sure you do this way. If you like this video, please like, subscribe. And if you need any help with the Google AdWords, please let us know. We're more than happy to help. Thanks.